What do you say we draw a pig? Now I'm going to draw the pig from Oinkadoodle Moo, but you should feel free to draw any old pig you want. Whenever I'm drawing, I start with eyes. So let me start with the eyes here. The pig had eyes kind of this way. Let's make him looking at us. 2 eyes. Then I would draw the nose. Pigs have a snout. So let's give it a circle with 2 lines like so. Now, what should we do next? The ears. So I'll complete the snout, go like this, and then make 1 ear. That's a little triangular shape there. And the other one coming out over there. That's looking pretty good. Let's make him smiling. So once again, continue this from the snout, give him a smile, and then give him a lower lip. I don't really know if pigs have lips. I'm guessing they don't. All right, let's do its body. I draw a body. Let's go down like this. And pigs have their curly tail, so let's give him a curly tail like so. Pigs normally have 4 legs. Let's give this pig 4 legs. There's 2. There's 2 more. And then they sort of have hoofed feet. So I'm going to draw a shape like that on all 4 legs. Color them in. Once again, at home you can draw a more realistic pig, a more cartoony pig, Porky Pig. Does anyone know who Porky Pig is these days? He was a very popular pig back when I was a kid. And let's make him opening his mouth and saying moo. There you go. A pig that says moo.